Good afternoon, guys. Today is September the 9th. We are here located in the city of Torrance with one more video real quick for you guys. Appears to be an alarm going off at this new construction site building. And Torrance Police Department arriving here at the address 18425 next door. Officers are waiting for, I think, the alarm company. They're watching the corner down there. I don't know if they're waiting for to have a helicopter come by and search the area. It is locked up. There's gates. They might have somebody seen go in there, maybe, but we're not sure yet. But this is your local Torrance Police Department in the city of Torrance. Yeah, sorry. We have a little bit of issues with our cameras, but anyways, got a little blurry. Sorry for the tap, guys. Just a little tap real quick. We're across the street from Toyota. This is Western. And we're in between 182nd. We're not sure if they're gonna have air support or not. We're not sure. I don't know if they are. Yeah, one unit leaving. I guess they're gonna take off. Alright, nothing going on here, guys. We'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. I'm just responding to check it out. I guess they're code 4 to check the cameras. And they are out. So they will be leaving, and so will we. All right, God bless our Torrance Police Department, all our law enforcement worldwide, our fire department, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry we couldn't get you guys any heartbeat or any action going on, but yeah, we'll see you guys around. Or maybe they're staying wait till somebody gets here. All right, guys, we'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. We will be out. See you guys on the next video.